The Su-30SM takes flight, ready for combat operations.
Flight test maneuvers verify handling and systems operation.
A perfect landing completes the successful first flight. The Su-30SM delivers to Russian aerospace forces for service.
Welcome to Irkutsk, where we build Russia's Su-30SM fighters.
Titanium and aluminum arrive from Russia's finest metallurgical plants. Every titanium billet undergoes rigorous ultrasonic and dimensional testing. Aluminum alloy composition is verified to aviation-grade specifications. Carbon fiber prepreg is stored at -18 degrees Celsius. Complete material traceability ensures quality from supplier to aircraft. Approved materials are staged for precise production line delivery.
Nickel superalloys require specialized handling for engine components.
Отдел технического контроля разрешает выпуск материалов на производственные линии.
Разрешено.
Titanium billets heat to 950 degrees for forging. A 75,000-ton press forges aircraft structural components. Die changes enable production of multiple structural components.
Смена, приступаем. Конец связи.
Heat treatment develops optimal titanium strength and durability.
Five-axis CNC machines sculpt titanium with micron precision. Five-axis CNC machines sculpt titanium with micron precision.
Skilled technicians ensure perfect surface finish on every part. Final inspection confirms titanium components meet flight-critical standards. Laser cutting shapes aluminum sheets with millimeter accuracy.
Integral panel milling creates lightweight, high-strength structures.
Hydroforming creates complex aerodynamic skin panel contours. Chemical milling precisely removes aluminum for weight optimization. Anodizing creates corrosion-resistant protective oxide layers. Aluminum extrusion creates structural profiles for airframe assembly. Precise quenching develops aluminum alloy strength properties. Complete component kits support efficient assembly line production. Composite manufacturing requires ultra-clean, controlled environments. Automated cutting creates precise carbon fiber ply shapes. And layup positions each carbon fiber ply with precision. Automated tape laying produces large composite wing structures. Vacuum bagging prepares composites for autoclave pressure curing. The autoclave cures composites at 6 bar and 180 Celsius. Cured composite parts emerge ready for finishing operations. Ultrasonic inspection reveals any internal composite defects.
Forward fuselage frames assemble in precision alignment jigs.
Robotic systems install thousands of rivets with perfect consistency.
Center fuselage integrates engine bay and wing attachment structures.
Rear fuselage accommodates twin engines and afterburner systems.
Fuselage sections join with sub-millimeter precision alignment. Precision sealing ensures complete fuel containment integrity. Static testing validates structural strength beyond flight loads.
Completed fuselage sections advance to final assembly integration.
Titanium wing spars are machined from solid forgings.
Wing ribs define aerodynamic shape and load transfer paths.
Wing box assembly integrates spars, ribs, and structural panels.
Wing skins create the aerodynamic surface over internal structure.
Leading-edge slats enhance low-speed handling and maneuverability.
Multi-segment flaps provide exceptional takeoff and landing performance.
Ailerons require precise mass balance for flutter-free performance. Завершенные крылья перемещаются к операциям по стыковке фюзеляжа.
AL-31FP engines arrived from Saturn for Su-30SM integration.
Aircraft-specific accessories prepare engines for installation. Сопла с управляемым вектором тяги обеспечивают исключительную маневренность Су-30СМ. Engine bays receive final preparation before engine installation. Каждый двигатель тщательно позиционируется и выравнивается для установки. Mount bolt torque is precisely controlled and quality witnessed.
Подтверждаю. Спецификация соблюдена.
Fuel, hydraulic, and electrical systems connect to each engine.
Проверка качества подтверждает, что оба двигателя установлены правильно. Tandem cockpit structure prepares for crew systems installation. Glass cockpit displays replace traditional analog instruments. Ejection seat rails ensure safe crew escape trajectory.
K-36DM ejection seats provide world-class crew survivability.
Environmental systems maintain crew comfort at all altitudes. HOTAS controls integrate all combat functions at pilot's fingertips. Canopy systems provide visibility and emergency jettison capability. Cockpit systems verification confirms full operational readiness.
Avionics base prepare for sophisticated mission systems installation.
BARSR radar provides long-range detection and tracking capability.
Инфракрасный поиск и сопровождение обеспечивает пассивное обнаружение цели. Mission computers integrate all weapons and flight systems. Комплекс радиоэлектронной борьбы Хибины обеспечивает всестороннюю защиту. Secure communications enable coordinated combat operations.
Integrated navigation ensures precise positioning worldwide.
Integration testing verifies all avionics systems work together. Quadruple redundant computers ensure fly-by-wire reliability. Servo actuators translate computer commands to surface movement. Canards enhance maneuverability and departure resistance. All moving stabilizers provide exceptional pitch and roll control. Canted twin tails provide directional control and stability. Air data sensors measure speed, altitude, and flight angles.
Precise rigging ensures proper control surface response.
0,1. Готово.
Functional testing verifies coordinated flight control response. Engine-driven pumps power redundant hydraulic systems. Hydraulic lines route through airframe to all actuators. Accumulators provide emergency hydraulic power backup.
Internal fuel tanks provide substantial combat range.
Refueling probe enables unlimited range with tanker support.
Fuel management automatically maintains aircraft center of gravity.
System bleeding ensures air-free hydraulic operation. Zero-leak testing confirms fuel and hydraulic system integrity.
Утечек нет.
Dual generators provide redundant electrical power generation.
Distribution panels route electrical power to all systems. Жгуты проводов соединяют все электрические системы по всему самолету. Batteries provide emergency power and engine start capability. External lighting enables safe day and night operations. High-speed data buses enable integrated avionics communication. Bonding provides lightning protection and static discharge paths. Burst power on brings all electrical systems to life. Wing mating defines the Su-30SM's final configuration. Landing gear installation enables the aircraft to stand independently. The radome provides radar-transparent protection for sensors. 12 hardpoints carry diverse air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. Access panels complete the aircraft's aerodynamic exterior.
Integrated testing verifies all systems work together properly. Precise weighing confirms aircraft empty weight and balance.
Final inspection certifies aircraft ready for ground testing. The completed aircraft moves to ground test facilities.
Ground support equipment prepares aircraft for engine start. Test pilots verify all systems before first engine start.
First engine start brings the Su-30SM to life.
Engine ground runs verify power and response characteristics.
Afterburner swirl testing confirms maximum combat thrust performance.
Taxi testing verifies ground handling and brake performance.
High-speed taxi confirms aircraft is ready for first flight.
Test crew receives comprehensive first flight briefing. The test crew walks to aircraft for historic first flight.
Final cockpit preparations precede canopy closure.
Engines start as the aircraft taxis for historic first flight.
The new Su-30 SM takes flight for the first time.
Flight test maneuvers verify handling and systems operation.
A perfect landing completes the successful first flight.
The Su-30 SM delivers to Russian aerospace forces for service.
That's how Russia builds the Su-30 SM for air dominance.